Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the hidden waterfalls of Iceland? Let's embark on an exciting adventure together. First, Iceland is famous for its breathtaking and awe-inspiring waterfalls. These waterfalls cascade down with incredible force, creating mesmerizing sights and sounds. You'll find amazing sights here, like the towering waterfalls, which are a testament to nature's power and beauty. Cool fact: some of these waterfalls are hidden gems, tucked away in Iceland's rugged terrain, waiting to be discovered. Next, did you know that Iceland has a rich culture with unique traditions, dances, and music? And did you know the island is home to diverse wildlife and beautiful natural scenery? Finally, exploring Iceland's waterfalls can be a fun and thrilling adventure for everyone. It's a special experience that connects us to the wonders of history and nature. So next time you think about hidden treasures, remember all the amazing things Iceland's waterfalls represent. Stay curious, little explorers.